All right, everybody, welcome back to the Virtual Speed Performance YouTube channel. We got the Camaro out today. We're gonna do some Camaro work. So, we got a shifter for the Camaro. It is a one very similar to the one that's in Sally. So, we are working on mounting that bad boy up. Also, I have one of the headers off because, well, I need to finish weld the headers and stuff like that. So we also need to add the little springs right here for the Zeus's. I started putting in them seat belts as you can see, and bolted up, and yeah, so that's what we got going on today. I have a parachute handle to mount up in there, so we need to do that too. We're gonna try and knock off a bunch of little things, or as much as we can, like he's doing back there punching the air. But now our blade to cut is that a new blade or is that an old blade?
No, it's the same one.
Oh.
See if I can get through it or not.
Where's my water?
What you guys up to?
Oh, you know, just doing things on the Camaro. Trying to get this training tunnel in there. What are you doing?
I don't think that's a politically correct, acceptable term anymore.
No, we're trying to get this Bruce Jenner tunnel in there.
There we go. That's
I can't even, I don't need to come back. Hopefully that's the right hole.
That's what she said.
There's our hole for our shifter.
You can do it straight.
I like it sideways like that. I think it looks pretty good. Let's look like from over there.
Let's give it that tunnel in there.
Oh yeah. Especially with the dash, with the Holly bullshit. All right, guys. So got the shifter pretty much secured or mounted up in there. Have a nice hole drilled through the training tunnel here, and it looks pretty legit. So looks very nice in here with the dash there, stuff like that. You got our electronics up here. All right, guys, we got the shifter set up, and we got the shitter hooked up. We got the shitter set up.
Shitter's full, Nick.
Yep, all up in there. We got the well, obviously the shifter, but we got the parachute. That's going to be the parachute handle. That's where the parachute handle is going to be.
We patterned that after that other YouTuber who don't have as
Oh
many views.
yeah, Meatus McMarland.
Yeah, it rhymes with that.
Meatus Mc. That was on the cuff, guys.
Well, you same out of the same racetrack, so.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm stuttering out here. But anyway, before I get too carried away with a rabbit hole, we got that in there, and honestly, I fit pretty good with it, and it's all kind of cozy up in there. You know what I mean? Got the steering wheel there. You got the shifter set up, and the switch panel, and the Pro Cube right there. So we got that. Other than some nice new grade 8 hardware, which we're gonna get, we're gonna make a trip to the hardware store and get some new hardware and shit like that at some point. Paint it black. Hardware wars. Also, we're also gonna start working on the throttle cable here at some point. Got to cut it and then thread it. All right, guys, so now that we got the shifter secured in there, we plan on grabbing some new hardware for it, some like new grade 8 hardware, so that way it's nice and clean when you look in there. I actually bought a new transmission for the car, brand new trans, 0 passes. So when I get that, which should be next weekend, we'll pull that stuff out and I'll finish weld around where I have the little mount for the transmission or for the shifter, and I'll put it all back in there for real. I do have to get a converter, so I am in the market of looking for a converter right this very second, which I've been looking around, looking at seeing which one's off the shelf. I don't really want to get into the habit of going to the extreme of and ordering a built-to-spec converter like what's in this, because honestly, I don't really think it needs it. You know what I mean? I mean, to get full potential out of the car, yes. But personally, I don't really want to go to that extent. So there's actually a 650 race I would like to attend with the car in like 2 or 3 weeks. Do I think we'll make it? No, but I would like to try.
Fat Aquaman.
Wow. Dude.
And my co-star.
What is that?
Amber Turd.
Oh.
I got my cod piece.
The fuck? All right. That's tough.
My fish move.
Dude, you should get on your motorcycle and ride with the stick.
Ride around with it. It's very hot, this suit. It's not gonna last long.
Hey, so I can get a thumbnail. I need a thumbnail.
Jason Momoa comes to visit.
Jason Shamoa.
There you go.
Make sure you get a few of my fishes. Make sure you get my
There you go.
My wife thought I was a creature from a black lagoon. It's very hard to
That's
keep
incredible.
this far from the ocean.
Yeah.
Lots of product.
Hard to get that natural hair, that natural
Like
wet
it just
look.
Came out of the ocean. Where's Dave when you need him? So my fish keeps moving.
On this week's virtual speed performance product of the week is a set of open box LS valve covers from Holley. Here's the valve covers. They have a natural cast finish. These are for dry sump applications. Has the Holley logo stamped right on the back there. They're the part number 24192 LS angled coil valve covers. It fits all LS engines using LS2, LS3, or LS7 or similar coils with 72mm bolt spacing for dry sump applications. These are on our website, www.virtualspeedperformance.com. These will also be in the description below. Alright, so I'm taking out the seat belts, or attempting to take out the seat belts in the Mustang. I have some of the Zeus's out. I gotta take these out because I gotta send them out to get recertified because they expired in June, and we kind of like to run the Snowbirds coming up, and we need to get these out and get recertified. So I'm gonna do that real quick.
Well, I guess after that.
Papa, you want to check out the Camaro?
Yeah, yes.
That's not real. You should be a little bit more excited. Come on.
I'm not, but that's okay.
What do you mean you're not?
Looks like you lost some weight.
I have. I'm down to about 185.
There you go.
Oh,
You lost a lot of weight.
I know.
I seen you 4 weeks ago. What the fuck happened?
I haven't been feeding him.
Apparently.
Here, honey, I brought you some.
Come on, man. Let's see the Camaro.
You're so sweet. Thank you.
guess workshop leader.
It's just a little box.
No,
But
so,
it's pretty cool because you can see that down in the bottom.
yeah, that's perfect for my jewelry. Thank
And
you.
if you're welcome. And if you look up the artist that's on the back,
Yeah,
yeah, she's a pretty famous artist. This
Aw.
lady, she does all kinds of
that's
like
so
whatever
precious. Thank
stuff
you.
like that.
Wait,
You guys see the Camaro?
Well, it doesn't look like it's runnable.
It runs. You haven't seen it with this motor.
No, I like the headers on it. You got the header looking good.
Yeah.
Of course, I seen the video when. Oh wow!
Right?
Wow! I'll have to get in and sit down.
Yeah.
go ahead.
Got the shifter. Got the digital dash. Got the switch panel. Seat.
Let me take your coat so she's get in there and get a picture.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. You can take. Hold on. Oh, look. Parachute.
Parachute wheelie bar.
Wheelie bars.
Wow!
And I have seat belts in it.
Oh, you need the other eye right. No, you got that other.
There you go. You're getting close.
Almost. There we go.
Looks like you got some.
Well, I guess we have medical assistance on site.
Yes, we do.
Not
So?
my family.
This is nice.
Anybody else? Don't ask.
Got switch panel up there. Got the Pro Cube, the delay box. Got and I think he's about to turn the power on. Watch this. Hold on. Hold on. Right here for a second. No, it's in it. Got power to the dash here when it
Wow.
loads. See? You could change your. You could change
I
your.
like that right there.
Got shifter.
Yeah, the shifter looks good.
Oh,
Quickly into neutral, so when I pull up to the staging light, you know I always pull up the staging light and clear the motor.
yeah. Well, it's fuel injected. You don't have to do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Bummer.
I mean, you could do it. I'll probably do it. It's my routine, but you don't have to do that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in neutral now.
Yeah. How do we dry hop it?
Dry hop.
I want to
It's 2023, buddy.
I don't care if it's 2023. I'm still back in 1992
It's
when
20.
I had a dragster. Yeah, one of those fucking things you get in from the top. The engine's behind you, and you can see a long way.
It's 2023. We don't do dry hops no more.
There's at least 4.
Well, at least there's a medical professional
I do
here.
know how to maneuver patients, so we're gonna, but not typically out of a race car. It's usually out of a wheelchair.
This car's really coming around there.
Yeah.
Hey, if you
We're getting
had
there,
a
man.
salt bottle of-
How long before it runs?
Well, the car runs now. I just got to finish welding up the headers.
How long before it's track ready?
we're hoping 17.
17th
Couple weeks.
of this month.
Really?
Just under a month.
Holy shit. I'm ready.
Oh.
Do we got a fire suit for me or a helmet?
I gave you a fire suit.
Yeah, I haven't got a helmet.
We'll take care of that. Don't worry.
We ain't gonna let you go down without a helmet.
No, I hope not.